Kaya hindi pinaayagan kaya nung namatay si Lacson, sabi nila, iburol, bahala ka, mabaho ka dyan. Gano'ng punta? Church man tawag lang sa akin. Church, punta tayo doon sa ano. Kasi burol ni sino? Father Lacson. Kayo na lang doon. Libingan ninyo niya, mabaho yan bukas. Kasi pinait ako sa nanay ko, lumuhod ako talaga sa nanay ko. Talagang sinabi ko, mapatawarin mo talaga ako. Kaya, so that's, ang problema kasi ang sense of accountability na wala. Wala talagang sense of accountability. You know, kaya marami man tayo abogado dito. That is the one fundamental difference sa approach namin. Kasi ako, Secretary is Roque, by the way, sir. Ang aking spokesman. Tumindig ka nga para makilala ka na ulit. Pareho man tayo. Kaya mga taga-UP. Ako, o kami mga taga-San Beda, ako, personally, I believe in retribution. Na kung nagkasala ka, just like the Bible, an eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth. You have to pay. Dito, sa criminal law, there is the retribution theory and there is the positivist theory. This new kind of, how would you call it? Crime and punishment. Purgato. Basta yan, basahin ninyo. Maganda yan. Dito na ma-rehabilitate ba yung tao, that man can still be useful and return to the mainstream of society if given this necessary. Kaya yung Amerika, release ng mga serial rapists, patay ng patay naman, the following day, mag-kidnap ng bata. Wala. Ako, pagka-kriminal ka talaga. Kaya kami, hindi lalo na yung left, kasi gusto nila, why should I be kind to criminals? So, why rehabilitation? Putang, karaming Pilipino na kailangan ng trabaho dito, pati panggastos, ipakain ko na lang yan sa... Bakit ako mag-rehabilitate ng kriminal? Kasalanan mo. Putang ina, huwag mo akong bullshitin dyan. Kaya ganon. Now, ganito yan. Even in corruption. You know, when you run a drug syndicate, it has to be an organized crime. Imposible na hindi. You cannot just cook shabu there in your house or apartment if you do not have the lieutenants, distributors, pati yung basurero, yung street delivery. Imposible talaga. Kung wala kang distributor, wala ka namang maasahan, adi, sinong bibenta sa ano? Ang hindi naman, bakit daw si Duterte pinapatay ang mahirap? They are harping on that issue. Alam mo, mga kababayan ko, shabu is only for the poor. Ang mga mayaman na may utak, may pera, heroin yan, pati cocaine. Cocaine really is the popular one. Ngayon, sabihin mo, bakit dyan sa mahirap? Yan ang market nila kasi yung sasing, it's only 200. But that is the consumo of the family. Kukunan mo pa ng 200 yung sweldo mo. Anong dalhin mo pagkain dyan sa table? Pati yung pamasahe. Alam mo, hindi na, akala nitong mga, you know, you do not really, I don't know when will you come to your senses. Shabu does not only create monsters, they also create a slave of my countrymen. to a chemical that whenever the monkey rides on their back and they are twitching all over, they have to have money to buy shabu. If they don't, yun, sige patay dito, hold up doon. Ganun yan. So it is addicting. And, mas may, dala mo bang, total, pambinsan-minsan, we'll talk of corruption again, but kasali ito sa corruption eh. Ito yung illustration sa United Nations. Tingnan mo listahan, no? Isang page lang yan. Gaano karami? 40% of the barangay captains all over the country are into Cebu. Hindi lang nila alam, baskis ang pages. Regions 1, 2, 3, 4. Puro Cebu yan. How will we survive? You think we can survive the next century? Kung lahat ito mag-distribute, ilang Pilipino mabubuang anak ng po. Papatayin talaga kita. Oh. 40% of all barangay. Tapos yung mga mayor, kinikriticize ako. Kasi nung nag-Mayor's League, pinatawag ko yan sila sa Malacanang. Sinabi ko talaga sila. Si General Luot nandyan. Sabi ko, putang ina ka, Luot ka, bantay ka. Pawis na huwag ka general problem ka dito sa... Pati yung sila Parahinog, Mayor. Pati ito yung si Espinosa, Mayor ng... When you kill your own policemen, sabi ko. Diyan sa Osame, sino taga Osame dito? May 6 ka police dyan namatay ever since. Yung 4, yung 2 ni-recover yung buto. May uniforme pa. Yung iba wala na talaga. Tinapon siguro sa... Mga pulis yun na ayaw sumunod dahil nga illegal. Pinapatay. Pagka ganon ka, away tayo niyan. Hindi talaga ako papayag. Now just imagine reducing 3 million plus yung kay Bato. Sid nga na wala akong ibang, but from doon to pull him out, sabi ko, General Peña used to be my chief of police Davao. Sid, tumindig nga. Ito yung customs. He's an Ilocano, and I trust him. He was, for the longest time, siya yung chief of police ko, pati yung RD ko, regional ko, it's now called the City Police Director. Kaya ko talaga sabi ko, Sid, kinuha ko sa retirement, sabi ko, tulungan mo ako dito. Okay na yan. Hindi talaga sila why do I get policemen? Kasi yung bureaucratic thing, mabuti lang sila when they enter the service. No? They're very competitive and they go for performance. Sila kaaway-awayan sila, division chief, section chief. But dito banda sa baba na, assistant director, alam nila na, if at all, very slim sila maging director. Unless you are exceedingly bright. O tapos, politiko ilagay dyan. So dito, halos tamad na yan sila. Hindi na mag-report. Yung permahan niya, sabi ko, kung ang mga cabinet members are only given 1 month, sabi ko. So ito mga director, I hope Congress will adopt it. I think they are crafting the law na make it uniform. Pati wala na yung so much diretso na yan. 24 hours, 24 hours ka dyan. Yung marami kasi magpirma, maghintay. Yun. Ito. Tingnan mo itong, ang human rights. It's almost funny. They invite progressive alliances, yung mga left, socialists. They come here and say, oh, ito yung pinatay ni Duterte. 10,000. Tapos maging 7 minsan, maging 3. So, depende kung sino nagsasalita. Mayroon isang babae, 3 million daw. Naku, Diyos ko po. Doktora. Kita ninyo sa psychiatrist pa naman. That girl needs really another colleague niya to. 3 million saan ko. Baski patayin ko kayong patayin ko kuloy lahat dito. Isa-isa barilin ko kayo. Hindi ako kaabot siguro ng 0.0001. Pero yun o. Yan ang patay ni Duterte. Tapos, kopyahin ng mga buang. Oh, ito yung, doon sa kanila, ito yung pinatay. Genocide. Tarantado ito. Hindi sabi, Duterte, why is this happening? Is this true? The right to be heard. It's a social problem. It's an illness, actually. Acquired illness yan. Huwag akong bulahin dyan, virus yan, o bacteria. Hindi sabi, other side is, why? Why is this namatay? If it's a social problem, where did it start? What is it? How was the killing done? And for simple justice also, you give the guy a chance. Wala sila pagkatapos ng meeting dito, tapos yung isa, bigyan pa ni, maghambog na bigyan ng rosary ni Pope. So si Pope naman, uy. Kaya, sabi ko, hanapan mo ako ng video nung pagkita ko kay Pope. No, yan ang, magtingin pa si Pope, baka pag-alis pa pagka-Pope yan, potang ay nasubra na to. Hindi na tayo I am just human. That's a joke, abot ng yan. I am joking, Pope, but that's, whenever you do a thing, it is open to, if you criticize me, I can criticize you 10 times over. Ngayon ang mahirap dyan. Ngayon, mag-house arrest kay prisoner of conscience. May prisoner of conscience. Libog yan, tapos prisoner of conscience. So, if we are fighting an organized crime, you have to, ang order ko sa police, I did not say, kill Mr. Santos, who lives there. Sinabi ko sa police, it is a criminal syndicate. Destroy the industry of shabu in this country. Nung mayor ako, sinabi ko, do not destroy my city because I will kill you. What is wrong with that statement? You destroy my country, I cannot kill you. Do not destroy our young because that's our only wealth. I cannot threaten you, tapos pinapakain mo ng shabu ang mga anak namin. Anong klaseng gobyerno ka kung the reason is I said, ako ayaw ko ha, let me just give you the caveat. Pangilinan is a good friend of mine. May utang na loob ako sa kanya. Yung si Inday, yung mayor ngayon, second year yan, sabi ko, anak, anong gusto mong give mo? The only girl. No. Siyempre ganun to. Gusto ko magkain kami ni Sharon Cuneta. Tinawagan ko